Hello guys, myself Suhana Sugarwal from Smart Study International School and I am studying in class 9. And our school is organizing a Smart Fest like Carnival and I am here for introducing the Smart Fest. So let's come with me to visit the stalls. And here is Bhakti, my partner. What inspired you to choose this? I think muffins is a very great choice for this kind of stalls because everyone likes it. From kids to adults, everyone should. Made today? A dating networking model. Working of it? When the Katra and Timur, the ISPCV, then it stands to LAN, PAN, and WAN. PAN means personal area network, LAN means local area network, and WAN means world area network. Then ISP received the network and sent to router. Who inspired you to make this project? Who inspired you to make this project? Suresh Amita sir. Okay, thank you so much. Hello. Hello, Kate. My project name is rainwater harvesting. When rainwater is collected on the roof, it goes down to the filtration tank. It filters and go to the another tank which has full filter tank, full filtered water. Hello. What do you have made today? A hydraulic crane. It works on Pascal's law, meaning matlab water change into pressure. Hello. What do you have made today? Project B, water dispenser. Work of it? When the bottle cap is open, the air enter inside the container and add the container and equalizing the pressure so water flows freely. When the bottle cap is closed, the air cannot enter inside the container. So vacuum like condition, so water cannot flow.
It is a model in which we can learn different type of shortcut keys. Like if there are shortcut keys written and the function of shortcut keys is written, you will be having 3 tries. If you choose the correct shortcut key and its function, then the light and buzzer will be on. You can try it. Now choose a shortcut. Now choose the function from here.
Control O is used to open
existing file or document. Then the buzzer and light will be on. In this way, you can learn different shortcut
What is
keys
the
and make
shortcut
your
key
work
Windows are?
easy.
Undo the last section.
Undo. That's wrong. Open the run command. Where is run command?
In this way, you can learn different type of shortcut keys and make your work easy in day-to-day life. Thank you.
Hello. What do you have made today?
We have made a smart tank and a permanent
Work of it?
you can implement an RMS. This is called an RFID tag. As we scan it over here, you can see the data publishing over the spreadsheet. Now here the gate will open for 5 seconds and again yes. And you can store data in these RFID cards. Like this is for principal map. As I scan it, all the details will come over this. Again the gate will open and in 5 seconds.
Reason to make this project?
We can see children are paying 100 rupees and going to mess. So we can implement this. So there would be no like cheating. Now mine is a smart water tank. What happens like we face many problems. Like when there is no water in the tank. So what we do like when there is less water, like 10% or less than that. So the motor starts automatically. And you can say here no. this is ultrasonic sensor, which see that how much level of water percentage is here. So when it comes like 90%, it will turn off the motor automatically. When it will go down, it will turn,